Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Supply and Demand Mastery. Today, this episode I will talk about the prop firm. And I wonder most of the people out there are still have no idea what is prop firm and what is this about. So what is a prop trading firm? A prop trading firm is a financial institution that offer trading capital to forex trader in return for a small profit share from the trader. So this is a very good opportunity to the trader to get a risk-free investment with the unlimited profit sharing. So that means today, if you are using the conventional broker to trade the financial market, then it's very difficult to you to get a very good result. For example, if I want you to make $1,000 per month, if you just have a $100 as your capital, your initial capital, just $100, in order to earn $1,000, so you have to multiply your capital at least 10 times to earn $1,000. Correct or not? But with a prop firm, if I get a 100K of the account, in order to earn the $1,000, I just need to achieve 1% of the profit. So can you imagine that with same target $1,000, but the capital is a very critical to as a trader to earn for the profit. One is the 1,000% and versus 1%. So which do you think is much more easier? 1,000 profit to earn just 1% or 1,000%? Which one? Of course, it's 1%. Correct or not? We just have to achieve 1% per month. Then we are able to earn $1,000. If you just have a very small capital, it's very difficult for us to get the 1,000 profit. So this is a very best benefit that we can get from the prop trading firm. So for me, this is a very good business that can leverage our capital as much as possible, up to multiply 200 times. Later I will show you. And this is what we call the OPM. OPM stands for others people money. So today, actually we no need to raise our own pocket money. We just have to use some of the cost in exchange to get a funded account from the prop firm. Then for the funded next, they will offer a 200,000 funding cap and 4 million scale up plan to each trader. And the program share up to 90% of the profit sharing to enhance to the skill trader. So only one rule you just have to follow to become a consistent profitable trader. Right, so this is their official website. You can look around. And another benefit, if we are using the Funded Next, we can earn 15% of the profit from the demo phase. That means from the challenge phase. And up to 95% of the profit split, so it can be increased as well and reach 4 million account balance. Of course, they have the support. If you have any question, then you can ask the technical support for the assist. Right, so you can take a look for the challenge right here. So one of the best challenge we have is this Stella model in Funded Next. And we have a few different type of a challenge. You can see we have evaluation, splash, and the Stella. So the most popular challenge in Funded Next is this Stella account. So look at here, what is the Stella challenge about? Of course, we have a swap account and a swap free account. So if you're a swing trader, usually you will hold your position over the night or over the weekend for long times, then you can choose the swap free account. Or else, if you are a scalper or intraday, maybe you just choose the swap account is more than enough. And we have 1 step and 2 step. So what's the difference? So if you use the 1 step, just only have to pass one challenge, one phase for the challenge here. But of course, if for the 1 step, the profit target will be higher, 10%, and the daily drawdown will be 3%, with overall drawdown 6%. So you look at the difference with the 2 step. Can you see the difference? So for the 2 step, for the phase 1 profit target, just need 8% for the phase 1. But for the phase 2, have to achieve another 5%. That means for the 2 step, we have to pass for the phase 1 and the phase 2 with total 13%. 8 plus 5. 13% of the profit target, and with the higher drawdown, with the daily drawdown right here for the 2 step will be 5%, and overall will be 10%. So compare with the 1 step challenge, can you see it's higher? 2 step will be getting a better benefit. And the drawdown type for this will be balance based. And no time limit, so no need to rush. You can take your own time to pass the challenge. Just don't breach the limits, just don't breach the regulation here of the drawdown. That's it. Then you can keep on based on your trading plan and achieve for the profit right here, profit target required. And for the commission, $3 per lot. Minimum trading days will need 5 days to complete minimums, and profit split up to 90%, and the leverage will be 1 to 100. News trading is allowed. Holding over the weekend is allowed. Expert EA is allowed. Trade copier is allowed. For the reset discount will be 10% and refundable fee. So this is the most interested part. So for taking this 100,000 challenge account, it will cost you around $500. If you fail the challenge, that means you have to pay for the 500 cost. But if you pass the challenge, what mean pass the challenge? That means you achieve total 13%, 8% for the phase 1, 5% for the phase 2 without breaching their drawdown limits. Then you will pass the challenge. This $500 will be refunded back to you. That means this is a zero cost business. Alright, zero cost business. And with the running promotion, sometimes they will offer 10%, 20%, or even 30% of a discount. So it's much more cheaper than maybe just need cost us for 450 or 400. Then we can take this 100,000 challenge account. So this is the account, the package that they offer by the Fundanex. And this is some of the others perform in the markets. So this is some of the comparison between them, just as your reference. So I know most of you will think, what is the lower package with the price? So for the Fundanex, the lower package will be 6K. 6K account here will cost you 49. Right after the discount will be cost you 49. And yes, you can compare the spread as well. This is the login ID and the investor password with the server name for you to check their spread. Either you want to choose for the MT4 or MT5, doesn't matter. The most important thing is see which trading platform that you are more familiar. then you just choose the platform that you want. And another good things is about the competition. How about if you really have no money to take the challenge? Then have another offer for you, which is the monthly competition. So for this competition, you can participate and try your best to get the best result. If you get the champion out of this competition, for the champion in FunderNext competition, as I know, is $7,000 plus a 300,000 challenge account for you. Of course, if you are a second runner-up, first runner-up, second runner-up, then you can get some reward, cash reward, and the challenge account as well. Alright, so this is the FunderNext prop firm. You can take a look. And the link is in the description below. You just click the link, and to get the package to sign up, you can subscribe whatever package that you want to take the challenge here. And another prop firm that I'm using as well is this called My Funded FX. So My Funded FX is also one of the high probability in the market. Receives 80% of profit. Alright, no scaling plan required. And you can join their community Discord as well. For the FunderNext, they also have the Discord community, so you can join and you can take a look here. So this is the best part. If compared with the FunderNext, there is no minimum trading days. So that means if you can pass your challenge in day 1, that means for the second day, you can straight away get your funded account immediately. Right, so this is no minimum trading days, no maximum trading days, and no any style of the restriction. You can use any method, or you want to scalping, you want to use the EA, also can, no problem. And the maximum daily loss. So they will update for the daily stop loss for the account. So just very simple, just have to take the challenge, get verified, and pass the challenge and live to get your live account. So here have some of the difference here. We have two-step pro with a better drawdown limit, and another one step, but one step the offer will be lesser. So the drawdown limit will be lesser. Of course, the profit target will be slightly higher. So you can check it out. Have a lot of the details here. So for example, for 100,000 account, compare between amongst the prop firm. Same for the phase 1, 8%, phase 2, 5%. And the best part is here, there's just 1 trading days required minimum. Of course, have to take 1 day, right? From the first trade that you place already in day 1. And maximum daily loss will be 5%. And the overall will be 8%. So for the My Funded FX, this 8%, the overall drawdown limit will be lesser compared with just now we have 10% in FunderNext. So but however, if you choose for two-step pro, yes, then you can get the 10% of the overall drawdown limit. But of course, the refundable registration fee will be slightly higher. Compare between them. You see, 500 two-step pro, it will cost you 575. Yeah, so it's different $75. So it's up to you, see whether these 2% of the overall drawdown limit, whether worth it or not. So this is My FunderNext. And what is the priority concern when you choose amongst the prop firm? Right, you have to consider and think about it. Of course, you have to take your own due diligence and do your own research. For me, the first priority, I will think about whether this prop firm active or not in the market. So what does that mean? you can see whether this prop firm stand present in the market for how long, whether just a new prop firm for few weeks or few months, or already present in the market for years, right? 3 years, 5 years, 8 years, or 10 years, or maybe 20 years, right? So you have to check it out, and whether check their social media active or not. Right? They have a Facebook, Instagram, and Discord. So check it out and join and subscribe all their channels, and to see whether they are active or not. This is very important. So this is what I'm concerned about. So if a prop firm without active, so I will straight away reject. Right? Because we have to make sure this prop firm is real and live and respondable very quickly and fast if we face some issue of a problem. Correct or not? And you can check whether their customer service respond whether fast or not. And when I join to their community, their Discord, and I will ask question inside the chat room. And most of the time, yes, their customer service will reply very soon, right, compared to the others. So this is the main concern that I will consider. And the second will be the trading platform. Some of the platform they are using their own house broker, and some of the platform they will use the third-party broker. So you have to think about it, and both of the broker will have their pro and cons. So it's up to you, have the pro and cons. So you have to check whether the broker, their spread is low enough or not. So of course, as a trader, we are more prefer a low spread and a better trading environment with of course, most of the broker will have the slippage issue. Just have to see whether the slippage issue serious or not. Right? And you can check it all this by yourself. And of course, with the cost, their package, their cost, and the offer. Right? So if with the offer, sometimes they will offer 50%, up to 50% of promotion, then it's good that we can buy one free one. So this is a very good offer as well. So this is the things that we have to make into our consideration when we choosing the prop firm. Right? If compared with the retail broker, have another very important things is about the payout, right? And for the payout method, you have to check it out as well. For the payout method, so most of the prop firm right now is offer the crypto, right? So you can choose the cryptocurrency as your payout. Otherwise, still have other method, payout method, and you can try to check it out. Here we have bank transfer, Wise, Perfect Money, right? This is for the Funder Next. And usually their payout will be by cycle. So one cycle, either 2 weeks or 1 month. It depends on the offer that they are provided. So most of the time will be 1 month as a cycle. And some of the cycle will be bi-weekly. Also have, right? You just have to ask details with the different package will be have a different offer right here. Alright, so I think that's all for this video, and you have any question, you can comment below and let me know. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video, and thank you for watching this video, and please do follow and subscribe this channel and hit the likes button if you enjoyed it. Hope you do well and wish you all the best. Happy trading, happy profit, happy life. See you all again in next video. Thank you and bye bye.